Do you feel like you're aging faster than you should? Exhausted? Gaining weight no matter what you eat? Mood swings? Hair falling out? And you're just not yourself anymore? The truth is, it's not your fault. Most women over 35 are triggering early aging by ignoring one major factor: menopause and its hormonal chaos. But here's the good news: you can slow it down and even reverse it naturally just by avoiding these hidden menopause triggers that no one talks about. Let's fix it before it's too late. Hidden link between menopause and aging. Menopause isn't just about hot flashes or missed periods. It's a total hormonal shift, and it speeds up aging unless you intervene. Here's what's happening. Estrogen drops, collagen decreases, skin sags, bones weaken, progesterone drops, sleep suffers, anxiety rises, testosterone drops, muscle loss, lower libido, brain fog. This imbalance leads to rapid skin aging, hair thinning, stubborn belly fat, forgetfulness, or menopause brain. But it's not permanent, and you can take control. Let's start by fixing the top menopause triggers that are accelerating your aging without you realizing it. Point 5. Menopause triggers. That age. You fast or 1. Sugar and processed carbs. 2. Poor sleep, hygiene. 3. Chronic stress. 4. Sedentary lifestyle. 5. Toxins in your beauty products. 1. Sugar and processed carbs. Your body becomes more insulin resistant in perimenopause. That means sugar turns into fat, especially around your belly, faster. Ditch sugary snacks, white bread, and low-fat diet foods. 2. Poor sleep hygiene. Low estrogen messes with melatonin. If you're not getting deep sleep, your body can't repair itself. Start winding down with magnesium, blue light blockers, and a consistent bedtime. 3. Chronic stress cortisol, the stress hormone, spikes and steals progesterone, which worsens everything. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing or nature walks can lower cortisol dramatically. Sedentary lifestyle. After 35, you naturally lose muscle, unless you fight it. Strength training just 2 to 3 times a week can reverse muscle loss, balance blood sugar, and boost metabolism. Toxins in your beauty products, parabens, and endocrine disruptors mess with already fragile hormones. Go for clean, hormone-friendly skincare and ditch products with fragrance as an ingredient. What to do instead? Here's what works, backed by science and real-life results. Eat for your hormones. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cauliflower help detox excess estrogen. Omega-3s from salmon or flax reduce inflammation. Add phytoestrogens from flax seeds, sesame seeds, and chickpeas to gently support estrogen levels. Lift, don't just walk. Muscle is your anti-aging secret. Use resistance bands or light weights 3 times a week. It boosts bone strength and metabolism without hours in the gym. Take hormone-supporting nutrients. Magnesium glycinate for sleep and anxiety, vitamin D 3 plus K2 for bones and hormones, ashwagandha to lower cortisol and support thyroid function, support detox. Daily add lemon water in the morning, eat fiber-rich foods, and consider milk thistle or dandelion root tea. You're not broken, just hormonally out of sync. You're not crazy, you're not lazy, you're just hormonally out of sync, and no one taught you how to fix it. But today, you took the first step. By removing these aging triggers and nourishing your body naturally, you can slow down aging, boost energy and mood, reclaim confidence in your body again. Let me know in the comments, what menopause symptom are you struggling with most right now? Give this video a if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe, because aging doesn't mean slowing down. It means getting smarter with your body. See you in the next one.